Howdy, cool cats and kittens. Vinyl Vixen, Slim Shady, and what do I call you? Goldilocks?
Goldilocks.
Goldilocks? I like calling her Caprice or Capri Sun, but that's not even your name. It's
What is
close.
my name? Capri.
Capri. I like saying caprica.
Oh, no.
I always say it's like paprika. I always say caprica.
It's not caprica.
It's not
Okay, we'll stick with Capri Sun.
Caprice.
Anyways, she is our in-house designer. She's a badass biker chick. Has crazy degrees in graphic design.
Sure.
Things and stuff.
Things and stuff.
Very talented. We've been working with her for a little while now, but we just recently did a partial business wrap design for Urban Hills, aka
Grow Bag Gardens.
Grow Bag Gardens for our friend Garrett, really cool small business owner. And we had some interesting challenges with creating the wrap that he wanted. And why don't you kind of dive into that?
So he had a logo that was very, we're gonna place that here, yes.
Basic?
It was not conducive to his car. So you have to take into account the assets we have and the canvas, or in this case, the vehicle. So we had a red, shiny vehicle. And we
Tundra.
had, yes. And then our assets were very, they would have looked better on something more
Not red.
not neutral.
Yeah.
Maybe like a bug or a minivan.
It's hard
Yeah.
dealing with bright colors.
So it's like almost like
That's a big-
masculine vehicle, but like
It was a very
earthy,
yes,
chill kind
soft
of branding.
The logo is beautiful, but not for this vehicle.
And not for what he had in mind for the design. I know you had a lot of steering to do on that end, right?
Yeah, the design and what the business was very high tech, kind of. So we talked him into, let's just redo your logo.
Right.
And then we went with chrome and
Then he started getting fancy.
oh, we got fancy.
He wanted fancy, so we ended up doing 3M 180 MC 114 clear print.
Oh, fancy.
Big words. That's our clear print, and then we applied that to some 3M 2080 chrome, and we created like a custom partial design.
Yes.
That wasn't super hard to install. Like it looks like a lot, but it's a small amount in the easy places on the vehicle.
Yeah, so it was a partial, but you have to watch out for like door handles and where it leaves the car and where it attaches to the rest of the design on the back of the car. So be careful when you come up with a partial design. That sounds easy. Sometimes they're harder than a full wrap.
Yeah,
You can fit the car, yeah, a little bit differently.
definitely. And then I know he even topped it off with some reflective stuff too.
We
So
did
it's fancy
reflective.
on fancy.
It was
He's double fancy. But I mean, his company is really cool because it's like making gardening
Wi-Fi.
technical.
With Wi-Fi.
Yes, with Wi-Fi. So
Technology.
He's not your like grandma's gardener. It's 21st century gardening. So he can make stuff grow that does not normally grow here. It's super impressive.
It's science.
It's science.
Mangoes.
Hey, I saw like magic wands, I think. Were
Magic
involved.
wands. I am all about that. Why was I not notified?
Mangoes.
Anyways, check it out. We hope you guys enjoy. watching our episode this week. We hope you enjoyed our business partial wrap design for Urban Hills. If you guys want to take your business above and beyond, we can do partial wraps, full wraps, fleets, graphics, window stickers, perf, things, walls,
All the
doors,
above.
Logos.
logos. You could do just about anything. We'd love to help you out. Hit us up at wrapseshaz@gmail.com. I think that's what it is. And then if you guys want to keep up with Capri, her racing or her design stuff, you can plug in at
Goldilocks.Capri for Wrapsesh stuff, and Capri Moto. Vroom, vroom.
for the vroom vroom.
Watch me race.
Couple
Yes.
people.
Okay, bye.